Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're introducing an amazing course for learning Next.js. If you want to master building fast, optimized, and professional websites with Next.js, then this course is exactly what you need. This course includes 11 hours of project-based training, guiding you step by step from beginner to advanced in Next.js. This course is currently priced at around €18 with Udemy's 70% discount, but I want to offer it to you completely free, with no cost at all. To get started, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After that, click on the relevant link to visit the desired page. To ensure you're directed to the correct page, make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly as shown in the search bar. Double-check that the link is typed correctly, and then click on it to be redirected to the desired page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, you can directly view the latest Udemy courses offered with special discount coupons. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the provided link. Once the course page opens, you'll find all the details, including discounts and the expiration date. To access the discount, simply check the expiration date and scroll down the page. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course completely for free through gotodiscounts.com. However, you should note that this discount is temporary and will only be available for the next 4 days. So, if you want to take advantage of this exceptional offer, act quickly. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. We'd also really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel, so we can continue creating more content for you. Wishing you a wonderful day, and thank you so much for your support.